How to use overlapping elements in Wix designs. So as you can see right here, I have in here my website. So for example, I want to add some things right here. So I want to add an image right here. So just click on this plus icon, form in there, and then just add any element that you want. Since I want to add an image, I just need to click on the image option right here and then upload an image that I want to use. So you can also import image or use AI to create your image for your Wix design. Now for this one, I'll just get from my site files. So let me just scroll on and find something that I want to actually use. So let's add this one. So just click on that image. And then once you have clicked on that image, just click on this add to page option. And then it should be able to be added to your page. Now, as you can see, it is still overlapping. So in order to design it, what we can do is we can head over and then right click on it. Click on this overlapping items. Click on the see all layers option. And then you can design it however you want. Just put it up or above. And as you can see, it serves as a background of this design that I have right now. So that's how you use overlapping elements in Wix design. Hope we helped.